How did you change?
where I knew they were exploited, but I still did it because it's so easy in this society. If you open your eyes, you'll suddenly see.
Right. That is for sure.
How do you feel?
Bad.
Bad.
Yeah.
Do you agree that animals should be respected? Yeah. But can you truly respect animals if you still pay for their exploitation for meat, milk, eggs, cheese, leather? No? You understand the question?
Not that much.
Was it too fast?
Which is not very good.
Okay.
But
To make it easier, is it respect to pay for meat, milk, and eggs when animals are killed and exploited?
you mean like if it's not good for them, right?
Yeah, it's never good for them to be used and exploited.
For sure. Yeah, for sure.
But most people say animals should be respected, but their actions show the complete opposite. They are paying for this to happen.
You mean in the supermarkets and everything?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they
That's
do
true.
it because they get paid from the usual people. Are you also paying for meat?
If people buy it, then it's gonna keep on happening. That's
Yeah.
what you're saying.
Yeah.
Sure.
But are you also paying for this to happen?
Guilty as charged. Yeah.
And
That's true.
that is why we confront people, because usually people don't want to be animal exploiters.
Yeah.
They don't want to be bad humans towards animals.
Yeah.
But they do it because it's normal in society.
That's very true. And I'm not gonna lie. I've always said that I only consume meat still because I haven't seen the whole process happening in front of me. You know, the killing of the animals, the brutality.
Yeah.
I don't think I'm not totally against eating meat.
Okay.
But one thing is when it's your own creation, you know, when it's not like in large amounts, when the animals are raised by you.
Yeah, but you know who
I
has
come from a
something
country
against that?
we did. Sorry,
But you know who still has something against that?
who?
The victim,
Yes.
the animal themselves. They don't
That's
want to
true.
be killed, even if they have a smaller farm or just in the
Like
backyard.
own consumption, you mean?
Yeah, and that's what I'm talking about here. I take the position of the victims.
Yes.
And if they could ask you one thing, they would just ask you to leave them alone. They can't say that, even if they are in the garden, and you care for them, you feed them nice food. Even then, they can't say, "Don't kill me." But it is basically what they would say if they could speak.
Exactly. Yeah. No, I totally understand what you're saying.
And
Sure.
respect, like real respect, means not treating someone the way you don't want to be treated.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, for sure.
So, in consequence, it only makes sense to be against all this.
And I think what you guys are doing here is definitely good to bring that
Okay.
awareness. It's one of those things when you know it's not right, but you still do it.
Yeah.
That's how you live nowadays.
Yeah, but the
But
thing
for
is,
sure wrong.
I was in the same position as you. I always knew, I'm talking about veganism here, that the vegans are kind of right. I never really liked it that I ate meat or that I paid for milk or eggs or any other animal product where I
Right.
knew they were exploited, but I still did it because it's so easy in this society.
Yeah.
It is so normal and easy, and no one is judging you.
That's true.
So you need to judge yourself for doing something that is wrong, which you know is
Yeah,
wrong.
That is completely true. How did you change? How did
and-
you go
yeah.
from feeling guilty to just
I-
being here and talking to people?
Yeah, it was 8 years ago, approximately, when I saw a video online from someone calling out vegetarians as hypocrites. He was like basically insulting them for their hypocrisy. And I was like, damn, this guy's insulting me. But he's right. And I felt this deep hypocrisy in myself, and I said, okay, I need to change.
Right.
I can still search for excuses and keep on doing that, but it doesn't solve it. So I search for excuses, search for solutions instead.
Yeah.
And then I watched the video of what is really happening. And when I saw that, I realized, okay, I don't want to take any part of this. From now on, these fucked up people
Yeah.
don't get any more money from me.
Yeah. And I think that's a really good way of thinking, a good
Yeah.
change, a good shift in your mind.
But if you agree, and if you know what your
I
victim
know where
wants,
you're going. Yes,
yeah,
yes,
do
I
you
know
feel
for sure.
anything is stopping you to also change? No.
You always hear about how the nutritionist value. You know what
Yeah.
I mean? From the animals and everything that your body needs.
Yeah.
You can get that usually from normal products, right?
Yeah.
Normal non-meat products.
Yeah, but
And I think
here I am.
that's the that's true. But I think that's most of the process thinking that most people have.
Yeah.
You know, it's like the nutritionist value and everything.
It is
But I know what you
also
mean.
it is also where they spread the most insecurities in people, because if they say you get something, yeah, like you hurting, you get a disadvantage, then people feel insecure and say, oh, maybe I shouldn't do it. But let's be honest, in today's time with Google tools like ChatGPT, it is so easy to find out what nutrients exactly you need, to find out solutions, to find out recipes,
Yeah.
everything you need basically in order to make this change immediately.
Yeah, I think you're right. I think it's
Yeah.
mostly, it's mostly, how do you call it? I don't know the word in English actually. When you get used to things, like
Yeah,
you
habit.
used to habits,
Habit,
exactly.
yes.
I think it's a matter of habits and
Yes.
also a matter of what it's easier.
Yeah.
You know, when you have such an agitated
Yeah.
daily life, you don't want to spend time looking for solutions, learning new recipes,
Yeah.
you know, just like alternatives to
Yeah.
whatever what it's already easy.
And
You know, and
what
I think
what
that's the
helped me
problem.
what helped me
Yeah.
then was taking the position of the animal.
Animals, yeah,
If
for
you were
sure.
in this position, someone saying, "Oh, it's my habit to hurt you,"
Yeah,
it's
Of course,
my
for us,
it's
not
easier for me to
ethical.
kill you.
Yeah, yeah.
You wouldn't accept any of these excuses.
Yeah, 100%.
So you shouldn't accept it for your victims too.
Yeah, that's very, very true. I totally agree with you.
Yeah. So if
For
there's a
sure.
will to change, there's a way.
Yeah.
Right? So considering all what we've just said, how many animals from now on should be exploited for you?
None.
So vegan now.
Hopefully, step by step.
That is the thing. Would you ask your victimizer to leave you alone step by step? Only,
No,
or would you ask him to respect you right now?
for sure. For sure.
Then instead of excuses, find the solutions now. I can give you a card. There's solutions on there. There's a like a video which is explaining a little bit more.
Okay.
And there is a page with recipes, with information, everything you need to know in order to, like, to pay attention to, for example, cosmetic products that are not tested on animals. I mean, zoos and circuses, most people don't go there anyways. And the other thing is like clothing, leather, fur, and all this stuff,
Yeah.
which you need to avoid. But like, you do a little extra Google search, you'll find something, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
And if you want to get something this evening, vegan food, you'll find it.
I think there's actually a lot of places that have it. You just,
Yeah.
it's like
Yeah.
I said, it's a matter of habits mostly.
If you open your eyes, you'll suddenly see.
You're
Yeah.
right. That is for sure.
So
Thank
vegan
you
now?
very much.
You gonna do it?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Handshake.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
for
too.
this-
You too?
This awareness.
Yes? Thank you too.
Thank you
Yeah,
so much.
and a last question I still have before then you can
Yeah.
go. Do you agree that it's also important to defend animals?
Is what?
That it is important to defend animals?
Yeah, I think so.
How can you do this from now on?
How can we defend it? You mean publicly? I think it's just by showing the example.
Yeah.
I think that's the best way because by not doing it, people maybe will feel inspired by you as well.
Yeah.
If you don't eat meat and if
Yeah.
you don't do the cruelty that
Yeah.
you once did, like you said before, you were also eating and then you changed. That is
Because of a
inspiring.
video. Yeah.
That's the best way for sure.
And what I did now with you, be someone, be the voice for them because they can defend themselves.
Perfect.
Like never be silent about what you learned about this injustice.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much. Yes.
Thank you too.
Thank you.
Have
Guys
a
are doing a great
very
job.
very nice vegan day. Bye.